how to send auto message using the Shortcuts app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you get a lot of messages and you do not have time to get back to like each of them and want to send auto message? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. So, you need to open up your shortcuts and then go to automation at the bottom, tap on plus icon in the top right corner, and then go to message. Now, sender, you can choose any sender or you can tap on it and then choose from your contacts, or uh, you can choose to either run after confirmation or run immediately and then choose the message. So, like for example, let's say if you receive hi, then hit next and then go to create new shortcut and then tap on send message, and then you can put in the message. You can say something like, hello, I will get back to you later, and then choose the recipient. You can choose everyone in your contacts, and then that's it. You can hit tick in the top right, and then now, when you get a message saying hi, now automatically your messages app will send to all the recipients, hello, I'll get back to you later. So it's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.